What's up, guys? Welcome to the latest edition of the Sam Jones Show, and I got another update for y'all. Let's go in and check it out. Alright guys, come in, let's take a look. As you can see, we mostly painted. We already got the recessed lighting in. Light fixtures getting ready to go up. We already started with flooring too. This bathroom is pretty much completed. Light fixtures up in here. Painted in this room already. Completely framed up in here. Already painted up. Bathroom just about done over here. Last room, we already started flooring. Alright guys, that's the update. That's where we at right now. The windows will be going in next week. We'll have the flooring finished up by the end of this week. The light fixtures will be in. All we have left is to put the kitchen cabinets and appliances in there, dress up the yard a little bit, and we'll be ready for the market. So stay tuned, and I'll be back with another update in the next week or so.